Top 5 most dangerous birds in the world, Part 2. Number 3. The emu. Native to Australia, the emu is a large, flightless bird with strong legs and three-toed feet capable of causing serious injuries. It can reach speeds of 50 kilometers per hour or 30 miles per hour, and has been involved in numerous attacks, particularly in animal parks or when humans attempt to feed or handle them. Fatalities are extremely rare, but injuries are common. Number 2. The ostrich. The ostrich is the largest living bird, with males reaching 2.75 meters 9 feet, tall and over 150 kg, 330 pounds. Found in open African savannas, ostriches can deliver powerful kicks capable of killing predators, including lions. While human deaths are rare, ostriches are responsible for several fatalities each year, often due to provocation or accidental encounters.